Hi, my name is Sydney Swinzik.
And my name is Jennifer Patel.
Today we will be talking about toll-like receptor 5. A toll-like receptor, or TLR, is part of the body's innate immunity response. Basically, innate immunity is what your body is born with to help fight off various pathogens. These receptors recognize pathogen-associated molecular patterns, or PAMPs. PAMPs are essentially any microbial component that is foreign or not found in a person's body normally.
All the TLRs have a different pattern they recognize. The specific TLR we'll be talking about today is TLR5. This is a receptor that is found on many immune cells. It is found mostly on mucosal dendritic cells that line the outer layer of intestinal cells. Dendritic cells are cells that are part of the nervous system and respond to a stimulus. This receptor identifies the protein flagellin, which is found in the flagellum of bacteria. A flagellum is a long tail in the bacteria that allows them to move. They can have one or many of these flagella. Common bacteria that have these are Salmonella and E. coli.
Imagine you eat a Chipotle burrito. Unfortunately for you, this was one of the E. coli burritos. The bacteria has now found its way into your intestinal tracts. So you have this bacterium with a flagellum swimming around the intestinal tract looking to make you sick. Lucky for you, TL5 is sitting outside those mucosal cells and is ready to identify E. coli. The TLR5s identify the PAMPs receptor on the flagellum and bind to it. This then causes a signaling cascade. This cascade is basically a bunch of the body's immune proteins playing telephone to send a message to inflammatory cytokines. These cytokines are immune proteins that carry the message to other immune cells that then tell the system to begin the inflammatory response. This response causes that part of the body to be red and swollen and hot, which kills the E. coli and saves you from having a miserable day.
While TLR5 is an important receptor that can cause many problems when they malfunction. For example, people with bone loss problems have a high risk of their TLR functioning abnormally. Having a malfunction in this can lead to certain inflammatory bowel disease, gastric, cervical, and endometrial cancers.